So, I saw the video. They say don't laugh, watch the video. Don't try to laugh. Let's see. This video going to got me or not. So I think it'll be like easy and then harder. So let's see if I can do it. If I don't laugh it, I lost. Let's do this. Start.
Okay guys, ready? No, sister. I'm brother. Now, let's start the medium difficulty. Ready?
Damn.
Now, it's time for the hardest difficulty.
Go ahead. Damn.
So, guys, did you laugh? Tell me in the comments.
Oh my god, I love it. Last one. That was funny. Last one, that was funny. And then some video got me a little bit. But last one, they got me. That was funny. Ah! 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 I'm kidding. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a good day. I will see you guys next video. Don't forget to like it, comment, try. Peace. Several peace out. And then I give it to you.